I'm so happy to introduce to you guys Norwegian Baking, my newest cookbook, which has come out today. It is comprised of 5 chapters based on the seasons in Norway, which comprises a bit of the light and how we would eat accordingly to what's in season, to the celebrations, the holidays, and all the things that kind of guide us throughout the year as we bake into our kitchen. So as you can see, the year starts off with a lot of really hearty breads and sun buns, of course, because that's the start of when the days are getting lighter. We have springtime, which is also full of yummy cakes when we have 17th of May and all these other sorts of celebrations, lovely baked goods. And of course, this is when wild edibles are starting to pop everywhere. Summer comes in, it's bright berries, again, lots of cakes, wonderful things from the garden. Pretty much a good mixture of those traditional dishes that you're expecting to find, but also new takes. And then the autumn comes and we have hearty apple cakes and things with root vegetables. Again, just as we're following the seasons as they're guiding us. And then we have, of course, the winter time when it's much darker and we have really hearty, wonderful things for the holidays. Anyway, this book is full of wonderful recipes. I'm so excited that you guys are starting to get your copies. Thank you again. Can't wait for you to see it.